Hello, my name is Foley Misan, teacher of English and instructor of ESP, English for Specific Purposes, at the Catholic University of West Africa in Bobo-Dioulasso, Burkina Faso in West Africa. I am also a student of Forex Beginners Academy. I came across Forex Beginners Academy during the COVID-19 lockdown when I spent almost 3 months at home from March to May. I started from the assumption that every challenge is the beginning of a new opportunity. I started surfing on internet for more information and fell on Forex Beginners Academy. Since then, that is April 20th, 2020, I have been learning plenty of things, a lot of things. For example, I learned how to identify support and resistance on charts, Fibonacci, retracement, moving averages, trend lines and channels, candlestick analysis. I also learned how to read and analyze price charts on TradingView, which is one of the most outstanding software for chart analysis. Furthermore, Mr. Saad Ali taught us that we should have a strong mindset as a future trader, not depending on feelings and emotions for decision making and placing trades. We also have to know how to manage risks. Risk management is a capital point that we should master in this trade. Now, moreover, he has created a private student group on Facebook where we should post our chart markups, our exercises, to try to get constructive feedback from our group members and from himself. In fact, Mr. Saad Ali is a competent, knowledgeable, available, and patient trainer. You can ask him any question on Facebook Messenger. Last but not least, the training is free. Totally free. Can you imagine that? Mr. Saad Ali, you're doing a great job. God bless you and your family. Thank you.